Skills are good. 752 peak train at Hempstead, stopping at Kew Gardens, Jamaica, Hillside Front, boys only. Hollis, Queens Village, Elmont, UBS Arena, Belrose, Flower Park, Stewart Manor, Nassau Boulevard, Garden City, Country Life Press, and Hempstead. Change to Jamaica for the air train to JFK Airport and all the destinations. We have 8 cars today. The last 2 cars are not open at Kew Gardens. Passengers for Hollis must be in the first 4 cars. If you're using the train time map, every ticket is purchased prior to departure. Any off-peak tickets will be stepped up to the peak fare 752 train at Hempstead.